Hey, I'm Benas, and for the past 13 days I've been using YouTube Premium, and I would love to tell you about it. Previously known as Music.ly, then relaunched as YouTube Red, and finally rebranded in its final form in 2018 as YouTube Premium. The reason for so many changes is because they started to offer more and more services and it didn't really fit with the brand that they went with in the beginning. And you'll see there are a bunch of very different features combined into one package, which makes sense and is weird in some cases, but we'll cover everything. Now the big question, price. What does it actually cost? Of course, you can get YouTube Premium for 30 days for free. That's what I did to kind of try it out. But from then, individual plans are $12 per month and family plans up to 5 members, $18 per month. However, I would like to warn iPhone users in particular because I almost sort of fell into this trap. If you're using iPhone and you go into YouTube app and then try to purchase YouTube Premium from there, the price is actually higher than if you go on your laptop and then Google YouTube Premium and buy it from there. And the price difference is actually quite significant. Depending on which plan you choose, either individual or family plan, the savings can go from 30 to like up to 50 euros per year, which I think is quite a lot of money just by going and paying on your desktop instead of your phone. The reason for that is probably because Apple charges its service fee, or Apple taxes sometimes it's called, and I think it's around 30%, so that's why YouTube is making it more expensive through the YouTube app instead of going to YouTube directly. Okay, so we covered the price, we covered the basics, let's get into the actual features, and there are 5 main features YouTube Premium offers. First, watch ad-free videos, and that's probably self-explanatory if you're annoyed by ads, or if you really hate those unskippable 5-second ads that pop up, or if you watch YouTube too so much that you get too many ads now. It's quite an obvious benefit. You don't have to watch any ads anymore. Second feature is YouTube Music. So that's basically the same as Apple Music or Spotify Music. Actually, I'm a more Spotify guy, so it's not really a feature for me. Actually, I covered Spotify in depth, so you can check out the video here, or the link is in the description. So YouTube Music does offer a separate app, of course, with no ads and offline listening. There's also an audio-only mode where you don't need to actually load the video and just listen to the music if you're trying to save some data. And as a bonus, Google Play Music is also included into this package. Third feature is YouTube Originals, and again, this is not really something for me. It's basically original shows produced by YouTube, oftentimes featuring other YouTubers. I don't really follow any YouTubers that actually produce these shows, but I've heard about big YouTubers sort of signing up some contracts and making up some movies or some TV shows or some like episodes. That's not really for me, and I didn't really find any benefit, so I didn't really watch any of that. However, if you do follow some YouTubers who have these kind of shows, or they produce them on a sort of regular basis, it's again probably something to look into. Number 4, and probably one of the bigger features out there, which I absolutely love, is the ability to download videos and watch them offline. And this can apply to a massive audience for very different reasons. For example, you have a low internet connection at your home, but at your school, university, or a free Wi-Fi cafe offers quite a reliable internet. You can actually download all the 4K footage there and then, watch videos at home. Also, if you're watching a lot of YouTube on the road and you don't want to use your data, because to be honest, we all know that videos can really drain your data a lot. So if you want to save that and download videos while you're all at home or on Wi-Fi, it's also quite a big benefit here. And then you can watch YouTube videos where you're not allowed to use any internet, for example, in airplanes, or if you want to skip any roaming fees abroad. So for me to download videos is a massive benefit, especially when I'm traveling and the internet connection really suffers depending on a country, the area, or places like airplanes where you cannot actually get internet. However, the problem is that paying $12 a month every month when I don't travel every single month, that kind of becomes a little problem, but I'll talk about that a bit later. And the last feature, the 5th feature, is ability to play videos in the background. So basically minimizing the app, closing the app, and doing something else while the video is still playing. Again, I didn't think it would be such a big deal until I actually tried it and saw how convenient that is. We're probably a bit too used to not being able to shut YouTube app while watching YouTube videos. So it's kind of a habit, so we don't really think about it. But when this limitation is removed, you feel such freedom to do anything, to chat, answer any messages, read emails, even Google things that the video is currently talking about. Check the weather, order Uber or taxi or whatever. It allows you to actually consume videos while doing something. And to be honest, a lot of videos these days that I watch are kind of podcast based. So I don't really need to see the person to actually consume the content, and this type of content is only expanding. So if you watch a lot of videos where you don't actually need to look at the visuals and you only need to listen, especially podcasts are coming in a big way on YouTube. It's actually very convenient to multitask, and without YouTube Premium that would not be possible. So is YouTube Premium worth it? And it's a bit weird, because it offers so many different things, but I do feel that there's only a small percentage of people that will actually use all of the features that I described. If you're one of these people who literally will need every single feature that YouTube Premium offers, then it's an amazing deal, because you're getting music, you're getting offline videos, you're getting background videos, you can multitask while doing anything, you don't need to watch any ads. It is quite a good deal if you're a really big sort of YouTube fan and you consume that content on a really regular basis. However, for most people, including myself, I think most of us will only choose certain features that we really prefer, and everything else we either not gonna use or treat as a bonus. For example, for me, not having the ads is kind of a bonus. It's a nice to have thing, but definitely not the main thing why I'm purchasing Premium. For me, ability to download videos, watch them offline, and ability to play them in the background so I can multitask is probably the biggest features out there. YouTube Original is something I'm not interested, at least at the moment. YouTube Music is also something I really don't need and don't really like the app. I do prefer Spotify over any other streaming service at this point. So again, I'm not using that feature either. Personally, I don't think I will continue using Premium for now. So I'm not buying any subscription because I feel it's missing something. So I feel because I only would use 2 main features and skip the rest, for me it's a bit too expensive. $12 for ability to videos play in the background and download them. I don't really need this that often, so I'm probably skipping this for now. However, I'm gonna keep a close eye on YouTube Premium, especially if they will continue to offer more and more features on top of what they offer right now, because I think in the future they may leave the same price, but they will keep adding more features, which I think eventually I may become a YouTube Premium subscriber, at least by the amount of hours I spend watching YouTube. It's definitely one of my main entertainment, my information source, even like a habit to kind of go and watch content and consume content on YouTube. So I do believe that in some future, maybe far future or short future, I don't know, I may be getting YouTube Premium eventually. But YouTube, it's up to you to kind of get the right package together. So have you tried Premium? Let me know in the comments what you think, what you've been using, how you've been using Premium. And that's it from me. We're at the end of this video, so thank you for watching until this point. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more.